이제 만발크 계단이 밀리면 나 어디 내비 조여줄 때?
건데기. 응? 건데기.
क्या जाने तू मेरे रात ले जाऊंगा सांसें चुरा के क्या जाने तू मैं जो जी रहा हूँ वजह तुम हो
for the school and for us the students to honor and express our gratitude to our parents who support us in various ways, and for the parents to know and to cherish the performances of their children, to view their talent and be proud of them. Through this celebration, we like to tell you that we love you, respect you, and are very much concerned about you. We wish you all a pleasant time throughout the event. Please cherish every moment.
আজ এই সুন্দর সন্ধ্যায় সেন্ট ফ্রান্সিস জিসাস স্কুলে আপনাদের জানাই সুস্বাগতম। আজ আমরা স্কুলে অভিভাবক দিবস পালন করছি। এটা স্কুলের জন্য একটা শুভ মুহূর্ত, যেখানে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা তাদের পিতামাতাদের পাশে সাহায্য ও সহযোগিতা করার জন্য শ্রদ্ধা ও কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করবে। এটা অভিভাবকদের জন্যও একটা সুবর্ণ সুযোগ যে তারা তাদের সন্তানদের প্রতিভা প্রদর্শিত হতে দেখবেন এবং গর্ব অনুভব করবেন। এই অনুষ্ঠানের মধ্য দিয়ে বাবা মা আমরা আপনাকে বলতে চাই যে আমরা আপনাকে ভীষণ ভালোবাসি, শ্রদ্ধা করি ও আপনারাই আমাদের সবচেয়ে প্রিয়জন। এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত হওয়ার জন্য জানাই হার্দিক ধন্যবাদ। আসুন উপভোগ করুন আগামী মুহূর্তগুলি। চলো এবার আমরা পরবর্তী অনুষ্ঠানের দিকে এগিয়ে যাই।
Let us all kindly stand up for the lighting of the lamp. Light is a symbol of knowledge and God. Light represents knowledge and darkness represents ignorance. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away by the light of knowledge and self-realization. As we light the lamp, let us beg God, the Almighty, Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya,
to lead us from the unreal to the real, to lead us from darkness to light, to lead us from death to immortality.
Now we invite our guest to light the lamp. Chief guest, Honorable Apurva Kumar Vishwas, BDO of Kalsi 2. Guest of honor, Reverend Father George MSFS, Provincial of MSFS, Northeast Province. Dignitaries, Honorable Reverend Father Alois Borogao, Superior of MSFS Galsi. Reverend Sister Daisy SMI. Reverend Father Joe, Principal of SFS.
We are highly honored to hear from Father Joe MSFS, our beloved principal. Now we invite our principal on stage to give the welcome speech.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Abubakar Kumar Biswas, Honorable Guest of Honor, Reverend Father George Pandamakal MSFS, dignitaries, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, parents of my very dear students and my dear students, it really gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Parents' Day celebration of St. Francis de Sales School, Golsi. Though the school is still young, I am proud to say that the school has escalated to great horizons of success, and today it is seen as one of the tallest institutions of the locality. It has become synonymous with academic excellence, a benchmark to measure the curricular excellence, and also a center which creates responsible citizens. We are very grateful to our Honorable former manager, Reverend Father Verghese Vanisheri MSFS, and Honorable Manager, Reverend Father Verghese Prakuri MSFS. It's because their valuable guidance, encouragement, and support that all this has been possible. From the humble beginning we made in 2007, having crossed many milestones, today our school has become a dream destination for many. I wish to begin our success celebrating it by expressing my you who did their best to build this edifice of excellence. The progress of any institution depends on a committed faculty support and supportive administrative staff, a large pool of resources, responsive students, and cooperative parents. We are indeed lucky to have all these elements. I am reminded of a story over here. There was once a king who was presented with 2 falcons which he got from Arabia. He called one of his head trainers and asked him to train these birds. Months passed by, and then the trainer reported, though one of the bird was flying high in the sky, the second was still on its branch. The king called different trainers from all over the country, but no one could do anything about the second bird. The king then thought, why not call someone who is more familiar with the land? So he called a farmer. Within 2 days, he came to know that the second bird also soaring high up in the sky. He then called the farmer and asked him, how did you do it? The farmer said, head bowed, Your Majesty, it was very simple. I just simply cut the branch on which the bird was sitting. Actually, we are all made to fly. Our children are made to fly. They have incredible potential in them, which you are about to witness. But we all love to sit on our branches, clinging to the comforts and fears. So, what we need to do is just cut the so-called branches, and then we achieve what we want to. Children learn more by exploring, so let us all be not very protective towards our children. We want our children to imagine and dream because we believe if you can dream it, you can do it. My dear parents and dear friends, even I have a dream. We all can achieve if we work together. Here I am reminded of my favorite lines of Robert Lee Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you, dear parents, and I
who can positively guide us in our life, and indeed your warm welcome has made everyone feel warm. Now we shall felicitate our guest, Chief Guest, Honorable Apurva Kumar Vishwas, BDO of Gulsi 2.
Through which a person can reach the Almighty. Here we begin the prayer dance.
శ్రమకలాపములకు సెలవిచ్చెను విలాపములకు చెరినిచ్చెను శ్రమకలాపములకు సెలవిచ్చెను శిలానగముపైకి లాగినను సుఖకళావళుల్ మనసులోన నిలిపెను యెహోవనాపురలాలించెను తన మహాదయను నన్ను గణించెను
called upon to keep the national integration, though we belong to different caste, creed, religion or region. This is very important for the building of a prosperous nation.
Now we shall see the mime show of Blue House. Let's be attuned to their every action and draw moral that they want to give. In this mime show, we will see the dedication of our Indian Army and the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. Above all, the meaning and importance of a national flag and the meaning of non-violence taught by the father of a nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Finally, the mime will also depict
पूछा हजारों से सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, तेरे पापा, पापा, तेरे पापा। इनका प्यार यहाँ की शान है। ओ प्यारी अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है। दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है। सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा कि भैया से सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा, पापा, मेरे पापा। चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, तेरे पापा।
मनवा लागे, ओ मनवा लागे, लागे रे सावरे, लागे रे सावरे, ये तेरा हुआ जिया कजिया कजिया कहे गावरे। मनवा लागे, ओ मनवा लागे, लागे रे सावरे, लागे रे सावरे, लिखला मैंने जिया कजिया कजिया कहे गावरे।
मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना भाए, ना भाए, ना भाए चारे।
मनवा लागे, ओ मनवा लागे, लागे रे सावरे, लागे रे सावरे, ले तेरा हुआ जिया कजिया कजिया कहे गावरे। ऐसी ऐसी बोली तेरे नैनों ने बोली, जाने क्यों मैं डोली, ऐसा लगे तेरी होली में तू मेरा।
तूने बातें खोली कच्चे धागों में पिरोली, बातों की रंगोली से रंग खेलूं ऐसे होली में ना तेरा।
किसी का तो होगा ही तू, क्यों ना तुझे मैं
लगा ले, तेरे में हवाले हुआ सीने से लगा ले। मैं तेरा दोनों धीमे धीमे जले, आजा दोनों ऐसे मिले, जमीन पे लगे ना तेरे ना मेरे पाँव रे।
मनवा लागे लागे रे सावरे, ले तेरा हुआ जिया कजिया कजिया कजी गाँव रे। मैं तेरे नैनों की छाव रे, तेरा हुआ जिया कजिया कजिया कजी गाँव रे। भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी, मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी।
शौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। चौधरी ढाबा, रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा। आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा, कष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा। चाहिए नान या रोटी, चाहिए नान या बोटी, मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए। थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी, थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी, ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए। किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू, तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू।
Why can't you? Idiot! Why can't you?
anybody bad.
तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है बेटा?
ये हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और है अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश अबिस मच मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का मच मच नहीं करने का लफड़ा नहीं करने का सुबह सुबह धूप में भजिया नहीं लगने का बस छपड़ा मस्ती का टुकड़ा जाने कहां से आया रे ये हजारे छोकरे भेजा ना ठोकरे और है अपन पंगा नहीं करना दंगा नहीं करना कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश तेरी टाई टाई फिश अबिस
तेरे बिन मैं क्या, तेरे बिन तू क्या, एक दूजे दिन हम अकेले। दोनों के मन से मन के मिलन से लगते हैं सरगम के मेले। हाय हाय हाय, तेरे बिन मैं क्या, मेरे बिन तू क्या, एक दूजे दिन हम अकेले। दोनों के मन से मन के मिलन से लगते हैं सरगम के मेले। जोड़ी जोड़ी सुरंग में छोड़ी, ये दिल किया तेरे हवाले। डफली डफली बजा, मेरे घुंघरू बुलाते हैं। मैं नाचूं तू नचा।
पैदल मारी 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 ও ভর্তি সাইকেল চলাই যাম ও তুলি এরি 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 ও ভর্তি তোমার ঘর পায় ও पैदल মারি 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 ও ভর্তি সাইকেল চলাই যাম ও তুলি এরি 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 ও ভর্তি তোমার ঘর পায় ও তুলি মূৰতে গৈ তোমালৈ বাটে চাম ঘৰলৈ মাতিলে মোক ভিতৰলৈ সোমাই যাম গধূলি এৰি 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 ও ভৰ্তি তোমাৰ ঘৰ পায় ও ভন্তি তোমালৈ চাম গলি যা ধিপিস 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 যেতিয়া তোমাক কাষত পাম চকু পিৰিক 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 ও ভন্তি তোমালৈ চাম গলি যা ধিপিস 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 যেতিয়া তোমাক কাষত পাম গোলাপী দোকানতে মৰমৰে চুমা খাম কলিজাত লিখা আছে ইতিমাত্ৰ তোমাৰ নাম কলিজা ধিপিস 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 যেতিয়া তোমাক কাষত পাম বুকুতে পিৰিতিৰে জুই তোমাকে চুমি 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 থাকিম যেন কাষৰতে জ্বলিছে উমি 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 বুকুতে পিৰিতিৰে জুই তোমাকে চুমি 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 থাকিম যেন কাষৰতে মৰমৰ কঠিয়াৰে মনৰ পথাৰ দিবা ৰুই হাঁহি আৰু ধেমালিৰে চকুলোবোৰ নিবা ধুই তোমাকে চুমি 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 থাকিম যেন কাষৰতে ভন্তি তোমার ঘর পাম ও তুলি মূৰতে গৈ তোমালৈ বাটে চাম ঘৰলৈ মাতিলে মোক ভিতৰলৈ সোমাই যাম ও তুলি এৰি 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 ও ভন্তি তোমার ঘর পাম ও তুলি এৰি 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 ও ভন্তি তোমার ঘর পাম
Honorable Rakesh Singh, Honorable Robbie Modi, Honorable Bandi Bag, Reverend Father George Sutherland, the Principal of St. Francis de Sales School, Reverend Father Varghese Prakuri, the Manager of the school, Reverend Father Alois Borgao, Superior of the community, Reverend Sister Daisy, dignitaries, dear parents, brothers, sisters, dear students, well-wishers and friends. At the beginning, outset, I would like to congratulate Father Joe Varghese, the principal of the school, for organizing this very important annual program. It is not only in this, in every respect, he is a very efficient manager, a very committed principal himself is, and also he has some love for the society, for the people at large, for the nation. The apt person to form the students, to educate the students. I really appreciate and congratulate him. Also, it is a pleasant task for me to appreciate Father Varghese Prakuri, the manager, very honest and committed person. You see, under his leadership, the construction of the new school is coming up. I remember the gratitude Father Varghese Vanisheri, who was here early principal, who was also the local bazaar of this community and manager of the Kenya school, and our Father Varghese as he also continues that work. Also Father Alois, I would like to congratulate and appreciate the very good leadership, the excellent leadership that he provides to the community. It is under his leadership all these fathers really work at the center. And he is also a very gentle person, very humble, gentle and unassuming person. And this was a privilege for us to have these persons here at this center, helping the center to grow like anything. I appreciate their hard work and commitment. Also, my sincere congratulations and thanks to Reverend Sister Daisy and the community. We would not have been able to do anything here but for the wholehearted cooperation of the sisters. They are a committed lot. They left their homes, their parents, their brothers and sisters, and are here, not for anything else, not about themselves, but for the future citizens of this country, our own students. I know they are fully committed to the task entrusted to them. Also the teachers without them, no school can ever function. The committed teachers that are here. So may I appreciate and congratulate them. Also all the students for their cooperation, all the parents for their valuable presence and encouragement. And the parents are the best educators. Without parents also, we would not be able to do anything. Also the well-wishers and friends, the dignitaries who are here, I am told they are all helping the school in one way or the other. And it's that way, it is not merely simply a parent, but it's a big celebration of collaboration, a celebration of cooperation among everybody. So all the leaders of this place, the local leaders, all the others, our well-wishers and friends who are here, may I thank them all on behalf of the province or the missionaries of St. Francis de Sales of Northeast India. And I am sure, and every way we have a reason to be proud of this school, because day by day, week by week, month by month, year by year, it's making tremendous progress. And you will see in the coming years we have big plans for this center, this school. Already you see such a large school coming up, and it is because of the love and commitment the province has towards this place, towards the children here for their education. I thank everyone who is really collaborating with us. At this moment I place before you a symbol at the same time, a very important thought. And this is my humble suggestion. As a parents and a teachers, you should all inculcate in the students a critical spirit, a scientific spirit. You know, Immanuel Kant, a great philosopher, in his famous work, masterpiece of his, that is Critique Pure Reason. In the preface of that book, he says, our age is the age of criticism. And to criticism, everything we must submit. Religion through its sanctity and law-giving through its majesty may seek to exempt themselves from it. But then they awaken just a suspicion and cannot claim the sincere respect which reason accords only to that which has been able to sustain the test of free and open examination. Our age is the age of critical spirit, critical thinking, that has to be there. Today in the school, this thinking, critical thinking is very much lacking. Why? Because we teach the students, they read something, they learn something, and not having that critical spirit, analyzing. And for that, you know, what is the purpose of this critical spirit? Purpose of critical spirit is nothing but encounter the truth, know the truth. Having simply knowledge alone will not help one to attain truth. The critical spirit is the means through which one can attain truth. You know, when we know something, we know what something is. In order to know what something is, we should know really the critical way of looking at, asking several questions, whether it is like this, whether it is true or not, asking this truth. And also to, only then they can be faithful the ideals of the Constitution, ideals of the morality. That is, otherwise it is not at all possible. In fact, St. Francis de Sales remains for the ideals. Ideals of character. What are the ideals of character? They are nothing but love, compassion, and gentleness, humility, patience, kindness, respect for parents, genuine patriotism. These are all the ideals of life. One can adhere to that only when one has this critical spirit. And there are two subjects for that, very important in school. All the subjects are important, but two in particular, I would like to stress two subjects very important for the students to acquire this critical spirit. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru spoke of it, and it is scientific spirit, science. Teach the students science thoroughly, mathematics, teach them thoroughly. These are two important subjects that can really place them in the critical thinking. And you know, what is the purpose of science? Science doesn't believe in any kind of superstitions, but it aims at knowing what the things really are and cultivating that scientific spirit. Nowadays, so much of growth in superstition, unfortunately. But on the other hand, today we should promote among the students this kind of critical thinking and this kind of scientific spirit. That's why Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said the modern temples of India should be the laboratories, the educational institutions, and that's exactly, these are the temples, modern temples of the learning centers are the modern temples. We should revere them, the sanctity of these institutions, promote them, the values which the students learn there. And this is my sincere wish. And St. Francis